Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving questions on quantitative aptitude topic H.C.F and l.c.m. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. These videos are useful for many entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. The topics of quantitative aptitude are also useful for many competitive exams like SSC CGL, Bank PO, RRB, Railways and many more. In this video, we are solving questions on H.C.F. Our question is, what is the H.C.F of 24, 30 and 36? The given options are option A 6, option B 12, option C 15, option D 9. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We first factorize all the numbers 24, 30 and 36 into prime factors. So 24 is 8 multiplied by 3 and 8 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. 30 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And 36 equal to 36 is 9 times 4 and 4 is 2 to the power 2 and 9 is 3 to the power 2. Now we have factorized all the numbers 24, 30 and 36 into powers of prime factors. Now we have to find the common factors in 24, 30 and 36. The common factors are 2, which is in all the three numbers, and 2 to the power 1 is common in all. So our H.C.F will be 2 to the power 1 or 2 multiplied by the other common factor is 3 to the power 1 is common in all the three numbers. So multiplied by 3 we write. Now the next number is 5, but it is not common in all the numbers. So therefore we cannot take that. And thus our H.C.F is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now 6 is the highest common factor of all the three numbers. Other than 6, there is no number which is higher to 6 which can divide all the three numbers, and we can verify it. 6 divides 24 for 4 times, 30 for 5 times and 36 for 6 times. Thus our H.C.F for these numbers is 6. And from the given options, our answer is option A 6. I hope you have understood the method of factorization and finding the H.C.F. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the H.C.F of 168, 264 and 408. The given options are option A 12, option B 36, option C 24, option D 18. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. 168 is divisible by 8, 3 and 7. Because 24 times 7 is 168 and 24 is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 264 is divisible by 24 and it's also divisible by 11. 24 times 11 is 264. This is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. 408 is equal to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 17. Now what are the common factors in all these three? 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. These two factors 2 to the power 3 and 3 are common in all these three numbers. So this is equal to 24. What we see here, 2 has highest power 3 in all the three numbers and 3s power 1, and these two factors are common in 168, 264 and 408. So this is our highest common factor, 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3, and this is equal to 24. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 24. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the greatest number which divides 876, 1095 and 1533 exactly? The given options are option A, 189, option B, 209, option C, 219, option D, 239. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We will solve this question by division method. We divide 1095 by 876. 876 divides 1095 for one time. On subtracting 876 from 1095, we get 219. Now we will divide 876 by this remainder 219. 219 divides 876 for 4 times. 200 times 4 is 800 and 19 times 4 is 76. So 219 times 4 is 876. 876 when subtracted from 876, the remainder is 0. So the H.C.F of 876 and 1095 is 219. The last divisor is the H.C.F of the given two numbers. Now we divide 1533 by 219, the H.C.F of the 876 and 1095. 219 divides 1533 for 7 times. 200 times 7 is 1400 and 19 times 7 is 133. 1400 and 133 is 1533 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, the H.C.F of the given numbers 876, 1095 and 1533 is 219, and that is the greatest number which divides these numbers exactly. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 219. I hope you have understood the division method of finding H.C.F of given numbers. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the H.C.F of 609, 957 and 1073. The given options are option A, 81, option B, 87, option C, 71, option D, 29. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We solved this question by division method. We divide 957 by 609. 609 divides 957 for one time. On subtracting 609 from 957, we get 348. 9 when subtracted from 57, we get 48, and 6 when subtracted from 9, we get 3. So it becomes 348. Now we divide the divisor 609 by 348. 348 divides 609 for one time. On subtracting 348 from 609, we get 261. Now we divide 348 by 261. It divides it for one time. On subtracting 261 from 348, we get 87. Now we divide 261 by 87. 87 divides 261 for 3 times, and 3 times 87 is 261, and our remainder is 0. So the HCF of 609 and 957 is 87. Now we divide the third number by 87. We divide 107 by 87. It divides it for one time. The remainder is 20. We carry 3. 87 divides 203 for 2 times. 2 times 87 is 174. On subtracting, we get 29. Now we divide 87 by 29. 29 divides 87 for 3 times. 29 times 3 is 87. Our remainder is 0. Therefore, the HCF equal to 29. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 29. It means that 29 is the HCF of 609, 957 and 1073. I hope you have understood the division method of solving questions of HCF. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the HCF of 5 upon 12, 15 upon 16 and 25 upon 24? The given options are option A, 5 upon 24, option B, 15 upon 16, option C, 5 upon 48, option D, 25 upon 48. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. For finding the HCF of fractional numbers, our formula is HCF equal to HCF of numerator upon LCM of denominator. So we have to find the HCF of numerator. The numerators are 5, 15 and 25. The HCF of these three numbers is 5. Now we have to find the LCM of denominator. The denominator numbers are 12, 16 and 24. The LCM of 12, 16 and 24 is 48. Therefore, putting these values, the HCF of numerator is 5 upon LCM of denominator is 48. Hence, the HCF of 5 upon 12, 15 upon 16 and 25 upon 24 is 5 upon 48. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 5 upon 48. I hope you have understood the method of finding HCF of fractional numbers. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the greatest number which divides 2136 and 2816, leaving the remainder 11 in each case. The given options are option A, 75, option B, 95, option C, 85, option D, 10. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As the remainder after dividing by the greatest number is 11. So we first subtract 11 from both the numbers. 2136 minus 11 equal to 2125 and 2816 minus 11 equal to 2805. Now we find the HCF of 2125 and 2805. We find the HCF of these numbers by division method. We divide 2805 by 2125. It divides for one time. On subtracting, 2125 from 2805, we get the remainder 680. Now we divide 2125 by 680. 680 divides 2125 for 3 times. 680 times 3 is 2040. On subtracting 2040 from 2125, we get 85. We divide 680 by 85. 85 divides 680 for 8 times. And 8 times 85 is 680. Our remainder is 0. It means that the H.C.F is last divisor 85. And 85 is that greatest number which divides 2136 and 2816, leaving the remainder 11 in each case. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 85. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, a shop has 3 different types of ice cream of quantity 403 liters, 527 liters and 713 liters. Find the least number of flasks of equal size needed to store all the ice creams without mixing. The given options are option A 29, option B 31, option C 49, option D 53. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We will first find the H.C.F of 403, 527 and 713. That will give us the capacity of each flask, and then we will divide by that H.C.F to the sum of the quantities of ice cream to find the number of flasks. We divide 527 by 403. 403 divides 527 for 1 time. On subtracting, we get 124. Now we divide 403 by 124. 124 divides 403 for 3 times. 3 times 124 is 372. On subtracting 372 from 403, we get 31. Now we will divide 124 by 31. 31 divides 124 for 4 times. On subtracting 124 from 124, the remainder is 0. It means that the last divisor 31 is the H.C.F of 403 and 527. Now we will divide 713 by 31. 31 divides 71 for 2 times. 31 times 2 is 62. 71 minus 62 is 9. We carry 3. 31 divides 93 for 3 times. The remainder is 0. It means that the 31 is the H.C.F of all the 3 quantities 403, 527 and 713 liters of ice cream. Now we have to find the number of flasks. 31 is the capacity of each flask. 403 divided by 31 equal to 13. 527 divided by 31 is 17. 713 divided by 31 is 23. 13 plus 17 is 30 plus 23 is 53. So number of flasks equal to 53. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 53 flasks. Here we have found the number of flasks separately. We could have added all the quantity of ice creams and then we would have divided by 31, then also we will get the same number of class 53. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the H.C.F of two numbers is 13 and their difference is 39. Find the numbers. The given options are option A 276 and 315, option B 255 and 294, option C 268 and 307, option D 247 and 286. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Observing the question, we find that many such pairs are possible satisfying the given condition. So we have to solve it from the given options. In the given options, each number must be divisible by 13. In option A, 276 is not divisible by 13. In option B, 255 is not divisible by 13. In option C, 268 is not divisible by 13. And in option D, 247 is divisible by 13. So our answer must be option D, 247 and 286. In the given options, the difference between the given numbers in all the four options is 39. So the only test was to find the answer by dividing one of the given numbers in each option by 13, and we find that only in option D both the numbers are divisible by 13. Therefore, our answer is option D, 247 and 286. The usual method of solving such type of question is, the first number will be 13x and the other number will be 13y, and their difference is 39. Therefore, x minus y equal to 3, and we can put the value of x equal to 4 and y equal to 1, x equal to 5, y equal to 2, x equal to 6, y equal to 3, and multiplied by 13, and we will find the lot many numbers which will satisfy this condition. For example, if the first number is 13, then second number will be 52. If first number is 26, second number will be 65. If first number is 39, then second number will be 78. And this way we can go on finding the numbers. So there will be many such numbers satisfying the given condition in the questions. So we have to find our answer from the given options, and only option D satisfies both the condition that each number is having divisibility by 13 as well as their difference is 39. I hope you have understood the concept involved in the question and the explanation given by me. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the greatest number which on dividing 85, 159 and 196 leaves the same remainder in each case. The given options are option A 27, option B 37, option C 23, option D 29. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As the remainder is not given, so the method of solving such type of question is, we find the absolute value of difference of the given set of numbers. So we find 159 minus 85 equal to 74. 196 minus 85 equal to 111. 196 minus 159 equal to 37. Now we have to find the H.C.F of 74, 111 and 37. On observing, we see that 37 divides 74 for 2 times and 111 for 3 times. It means that our H.C.F is 37. This is that greatest number which divides 85, 159 and 196, leaves the same remainder, and that number is 37. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 37. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, find the greatest number that on dividing 1000, 1300 and 1450 leaves remainders 51, 59 and 63 respectively. The given options are option A 61, option B 67, option C 71, option D 73. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We subtract the remainder from the given numbers. 1000 minus 51 is 949. 1300 minus 59 equal to 1241. 1450 minus 63 equal to 1387. Now we have to find the H.C.F of 949, 1241 and 1387. We will find the H.C.F of these numbers by division method. We divide 1387 by 1241. 1241 divides 1387 for one time. On subtracting 1241 from 1387, we get 146. Now we divide 1241 by 146. 146 divides 1241 for 8 times. 8 times 146 is 1168. On subtracting 1168 from 1241, we get remainder 73. And now we will divide 146 by 73. 73 divides 146 for 2 times. 73 times 2 is 146. Our remainder is 0. It means that the H.C.F of 1241 and 1387 is 73. Now we will find the H.C.F of 949 and 73. So we divide 949 by 73. 73 divides 94 for one time. The remainder is 21. We carry 9. 73 times 3 is 219. So on subtracting 219 from 219, our remainder is 0. It means that the H.C.F of all the numbers 949, 1241 and 1387 is 73. So the H.C.F of the given numbers is 73, and from the given options our answer is option D, 73. 73 is that greatest number which on dividing 1000, 1300 and 1450 leaves remainders 51, 59 and 63 respectively. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.